I'm just cooking now. This is the potato boiling away. You can see the way it's just like sweating. You know, it's sweating, it's cooking. Wow. I'm going to mash it up when it is cooked properly with some olive oil, then drizzle in some black pepper on top and maybe some chopped fresh parsley leaf. This is the minced meat. Minced meat. I fried some onions, garlic, and ginger, and a little bit of olive oil to start frying it up, because this minced meat, they have oil, it's beef, isn't it? So you don't need too much oil when you are frying, because the oil will come out himself from the beef. You can see the way it's sweating, it's bubbling, you know. It's just cooking away. And this is the vegetable. These are the vegetables I talked earlier on about. That is broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. You see, I make sure I eat them, you know, I add them in my meal each time I cook. So this minced meat, I'm going to fry it and cook it, and then let it go soft. Then I will make some gravy and tip it inside and eat with it, you know. So you can as well use this minced meat to do your fried rice, guys. So this is the minced meat now. I've really fried it. It's going brown. It's just like spitting it out. You can hear it spitting out, you know. There are some spices, curry powder, non-cube, cumin, coriander, dry coriander leaf are banging into it. So that is it, guys. I hope you all are enjoying this my cooking, and leave your comment below and keep subscribing, please. And God bless you. Thank you. Chiro. Have a nice day. Bye.